Welcome back to another video in the View into Huck's World. And listen up, people, Samsung has given us a gift. Today, you will get an update for the Bixby app, and you'll be able to remap the Bixby button to whatever application you want to apply to this. This is awesome. Samsung, thank you for this opportunity. We've been waiting on this for a very long time. Thank you, and thank you. All right, now for those of you all who would love to do this, I'm going to show you how it's done, how you update the Bixby app, and also how to set it up. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started. For those of you all who have the wearable app, simply just go ahead and tap on it, scroll all the way down till you see Galaxy app, and it's going to take you to the Galaxy App Store. All right, for those of you all who don't have it, all you simply got to do is type it in the search engine like I did. I've already done it, so I'm going to tap on it, and it's going to bring you here. Then tap on the menu button, and when you tap on the menu button, go to My Page. Okay, and once you go to My Page, you're going to tap on Update. And then if it lands on Watch for some of you all, just go ahead and go to Apps, and there's going to be 3 of them. Right now, I got 2 left. I didn't do them. I just wanted to show you how this was done. You got Bixby Wake Up, Bixby Service, and you're going to have also one that says Bixby should be dead center. Tap on that, and that's going to allow you to set it up. So once you do that, like right now, I have it already set to something, but we're going to go to Bixby. I'm going to double tap to get to my Bixby. I set it up for that. I'm going to tap on the menu button, go to settings, go all the way down till I see Bixby key. And once you see Bixby key, as you can see it, it says I can set it for a single tap, a double tap, and then right up under it, it's going to say use single press. And as you can see, I can open up YouTube. So let me do that. I'm going to tap it once, and now I'm in YouTube. It's quick, fast, very nice, very easy. Now, I'm also going to show you how you set that up, right? And I'm going to go ahead, go back to my Bixby, go into the menu, go into settings, and then we got to go back to Bixby. And once you get here, just simply tap on here, and it's going to bring this up, hit the menu bar here, and it's going to bring up all the applications that you can set. Again, I got mine set to YouTube. If you got Chase Bank, if you got your Facebook, your Gmail, whatever you want to put here, your Instagram, you can put right there, your gallery. I thought this was pretty slick. And you can also do the same thing for your commands, for your quick commands too as well. I'm going to turn it on just to give you an opportunity to see if you want to say good morning, good night, and it's going to cut off whatever features that you set for it to cut off. So Samsung did a good thing with allowing us to remap the Bixby button. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought you would like to know about this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.